Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a shadow in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to select the image. For example, I have selected this image and make sure that you have added background remover on this. And then you're going to click on edit, and here you're going to scroll down till you find the option of shadows. So here is shadows under the effects tab. Click on shadow and then you're going to click on outline. And you can see an outline added to your photo, and you can click on glow over here. That is the one that I personally like. So this is basically a very nice shadowy effect. You can also click on drop for a one side shadowy effect. For example, let's go with drop for this. So once you select that, you can select your blur amount. For example, if you want more blur amount or if you want less, you can also select your angle if you want it to the left, right, or let's say bottom angle. You can also select your distance, like how far your shadows should be spread. You can also go with intensity and increase the intensity. And well, that's how you can make a shadow in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.